this. What do you mean? Oh, stop. This is our cafeteria. They got little sinks with towels. And there's me. Hi, here's me in one of my videos. I have a little visitor today. Mwah.
That's just a mirror.
So let's go look
And that's the
and see
drink.
what there is.
Look at the
The
drink.
drinks, right? Yep.
And there's also milk.
Okay.
And this is the food.
And then rice every day, some kind of vegetable. Oh, today it's the quail eggs. It's like quail eggs and tofu, I think. I don't know, I had them last week. They were okay. Some kind of spicy pork beef stir fry. That chicken is very good.
Yeah,
I like that chicken.
and then there's like a make your own salad thing.
Uh-huh, make your own salad thing. And they've got those brownies there today. Yeah, you're right. Oh, they have good noodles today. Noodles and pork, and there's some soup. There's stuff to put on the noodles. Let's see what this is today. All I can smell is the gas underneath it. Water. Tables. There's a bunch of teachers I work with. And it's empty right now because the kids are done.